Let's break down what contempt actually is and why it's the most dangerous emotion in any relationship. Most people think the biggest threats to a marriage are anger or cheating or maybe just growing apart, right? But contempt, that's the one that slips under the radar and it does the most damage to relationships. Contempt isn't just about being upset or annoyed. It's way deeper than that. It's when one partner starts to feel superior to the other partner, when there's mockery instead of empathy, sarcasm instead of support. It's those little moments when you roll your eyes or you talk down to your partner or you use biting humor that cuts more than it amuses. It's a cold smirk when your partner's trying to be serious. It's saying, wow, you'd actually have to care to screw this up, instead of saying, that hurt my feelings. You see, contempt combines anger with disgust, and that is a dangerous, vicious mix. Anger on its own, yeah, you can get past that. You can yell, you can cry, apologize, reconnect, but contempt is a whole different animal because it doesn't just say, I'm mad. It says, I'm better than you are, and you're beneath me. And when one person starts to feel that way about the other person, they stop seeing them as a partner and they start seeing them as a problem. Now here's the kicker. Contempt builds slowly. It often starts with unmet expectations. Maybe your spouse stopped listening. Maybe you stopped feeling appreciated. Over time, those little disappointments stack up. And if they're never talked about or resolved, they harden into something much colder, and that is contempt. And it's not just emotional. Research shows that contempt literally affects your health. It weakens your immune system. You get sick more. You feel drained. You're not just emotionally disconnected, you're physically run down too. Now, my experience here in Georgia, when contempt shows up, it's one of the clearest signs that the marriage may not be salvageable. That doesn't mean that every couple who experiences it has to split, but it does mean that you have to take contempt very seriously. This isn't just a rough patch, it's a red flag. Now, you want some good news? If you can recognize it early, there's a chance to turn things around. But if it's been simmering for years, it might just be time to start thinking about what's best for your future. That could mean therapy, it could mean time apart, or it might mean divorce. We talk to clients every week who are dealing with this kind of emotional decay. If that's you and you're not sure what to do next, give us a call. We're always here to talk and we can help you figure out your options. No pressure, just honest guidance to help you get through it. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on those alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.